Morphine is a strong painkiller that is frequently used in hospice care. It is also given to ease the feeling of shortness of breath. They relax the muscles in the airways and increase the airflow to the lungs. You might have heard that giving morphine leads to a quicker death. However, there's absolutely no evidence that opioids such as morphine speed up the dying process. Part of this misconception is from experiences where death was immediately preceded by a dose of morphine. This is an important time to remember that correlation does not imply causation. In fact, research shows that using morphine near the end of life may help a person live a bit longer. This is because experiencing pain and trouble breathing can be exhausting, and people nearing the end of life have limited strength and energy. So it makes sense that treating these symptoms might slow down the rate of decline, if only for a few hours. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it and you want to see more of my educational videos, please consider subscribing to my channel.